Hi, my name is Jess, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can capture beautiful, candid family photos. Whether you're a professional photographer or you're just someone who likes to take great photos of your family, these photography tips and tricks will help you take fantastic photos that'll last a lifetime. Tip 1. Choose the right location. Location you choose can have a really big impact on the photo. So think about the lighting, the background and the ambience that you have in this location that you've chosen. A natural setting such as a park or a beach can create a relaxed and candid look to the photos, whereas if you have the photos taken in a studio, can give a feel of a polished and clean look to the photo. So it all depends on your preference. Tip number 2, get to know your subjects. Before you get started with the photo shoot, get to know the family a little bit more. Ask them questions like, what do they like to do as a family? What are their interests and what are their hobbies? As once you know this, you can get some candid moments with the family that are unique to that specific family. Use different poses. Mixing up the posing can make really interesting and dynamic photos. So try different groupings. For example, have mum and dad and have their little girl or little boy, or if they have a little baby, have the baby in the middle and the mum and the dad either side, and get the mum and the dad to kiss the baby on the cheek, and it makes such a cute photo that way. Another one you can do is have all the siblings together and get them to either all hug each other, or another one you can do is get them to all tickle each other. Then that way you can get really candid photos this way. So don't be afraid to be creative and try out new things when you're testing out different poses you can do with each family you have. Tip number 4, capture candid moments. Let the family be themselves so you can capture them unscripted moments. And these photos are usually the best as you can capture more of an emotion and more personality that will come out on the image. Tip number 5 is capture the photos at golden hour. So when you shoot at this time, you can get really nice, beautiful colours that will make your photography stand out. So I highly recommend shooting at this hour as you can get really nice, soft and pretty and golden images. And it looks really nice if you have the family and the sun is right behind them, so you get the nice golden sun coming through their hair and it looks absolutely amazing. I highly recommend trying shooting a photo shoot at golden hour. You won't be disappointed doing it this way. So I hope you found these tips helpful, and remember, family photo shoots or family photography is all about capturing the emotion and capturing the personality and the relationships between the family members. So have fun and don't forget to experiment with lighting, locations and poses. Happy shooting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks.